Hi everyone, my name is Bapi Hamed and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, there is another amazing announcement from my side. So we are coming up with full stack data science batch on our platform Euron. So this is going to be the live batch, guys. You can see the core batch is starting on 14 December 2024. Saturday and Sunday class timing would be, and you can see the timing 12:30 p.m. IST to 2 p.m. IST. And mentor is going to be Sudhanshu sir. I think you know already about Sudhanshu sir. Okay, so again he is going to start teaching. So this is going to be one amazing opportunity for you guys, so you can check it out. And if you see the curriculum, so here we have added actually all the concept you need to master this data science, like machine learning, deep learning. Then we have also included generative AI. Okay, so generative AI will try to also cover. Then we'll be also learning the fundamentals of mathematics. Okay, because mathematics is everything for the data science. So most of the people has the question like what are the mathematics we should learn. Okay, so here we'll try to cover. Then we'll be learning the linear algebra, probability, calculus. Okay, each and everything we'll try to master. Apart from that, guys, you can see we'll be starting with the data preprocessing, feature engineering. Then inside machine learning, whatever core component you did, like handling imbalanced data. Then we'll be learning different machine learning algorithm like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, dimensional reduction. Then we'll start with the deep learning, then neural network, convolutional neural network, okay, recurrent neural network. Then we'll be also learning generative adversarial neural network, that means GANs, then natural language processing, advanced NLP with transformer, computer vision and image processing, okay, image filtering, object detection and recognition. Okay, all kinds of advanced computer vision related tasks we'll try to cover. Then you can see we'll also learning the model deployment, how we can do the model deployment and all. Then ethics and biases in AI. Then practical labs and real world projects. Okay, so here you will be learning different project implementation. Okay, completely end to end with the deployment as well. Then at the last you will also get certification preparation actually program. That means if you want to, let's say, get certified with Google professional machine learning engineer, AWS certified machine learning engineer, okay, Microsoft certified. So all kinds of actually things would be discussed, okay, in this particular section. Even you will also get the resume guidance, career guidance, each and everything. So basic requirement, you don't need nothing actually. So if you are completely new to this field, okay, you can start with this particular course. So check it out, guys. The course is like very affordable, only $30. Okay, so I think this is going to be the best investment, okay, in your career. So please try to see, and all the link would be given in the description. And if you're taking the Euron Plus subscription, guys, so all the, let's say, course you have inside this Euron platform, or even all the upcoming course actually are coming, everything you can access, okay, through just one purchase. Okay, one purchase of the Euron Plus, and it is only 2,999, okay, per year. That means 1 year you can access all the courses. Got it? So yes, guys, you can check it out. All the link I will mention in my description. With that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.